Alright YouTube, today I'm going to show you how to replace a mirror on a 2013 Ford F-150. What you're going to need is an impact driver, 1/4 inch socket, 11mm socket, and a 5/16 or I believe it's an 8mm socket. First off, you're going to undo these two 1/4 inch bolts down here at the bottom of the door panel. Next, you're going to pop this panel off in the pocket of the door, and then there's another one behind the handle. Pop those off with a small screwdriver like this. From there, you'll expose two 8mm bolts. Just pop those out. Once you've done that, you're going to walk up to the door panel, lift up, pull off. Once you've got the door panel off, you're going to peel back this vinyl and undo the connector from the mirror itself, and then undo these three 11mm bolts. There's retaining clips on the mirror, so you don't have to worry about it falling or anything like that. Remove the mirror from the frame of the vehicle. Take the new mirror, line it up, make sure it snaps into place. Take your factory bolts, make sure it's nice and secured on there, just for now, before you torque them down. Reinsert the electrical connection. There we go. Now torque down the 3 11mm bolts. reattach your vinyl. Now on the passenger side, you won't have to undo any connectors, but on the driver's side you do, due to the mirror adjustment. Now a pro tip I learned from another YouTuber, I'll tag his channel. Pop this little grommet out, makes it a lot easier to reinsert or reinstall the door panel. Alright, once you got the mirror reattached, you're going to reinstall the door panel onto the door by lifting up. And back over. Using your 5/16 bit, reinstall the bolts for the door, back of the door handle and in the pocket of the door. The shorter bolt, which is the more dull bolt, it's going to go in the handle, behind the unlatch handle, and the shiny or longer, it's going to go in the pocket of the door. And finally, reinstall the last two remaining 1/4 inch bolts. Once everything is installed, all that's left to do is test and verify function. Looks like everything works great. That's how you replace a power mirror for a 2013 Ford F-150. Appreciate the views, guys, and have a good day. Thanks.